has this ever happened with you कि you're reading a book, you also laugh, you also end up crying in some parts, and at the same time you're awestruck with the kind of romance involved in this, and you know how you're so attached to the characters, and then you realize book खत्म हो गई and this was not even real, and ऐसे शौक लगता है shit. आप पढ़ रहे हो कुछ ऐसे पार्ट्स आते कि I'm done, I'm bored, हो गया मेरा. But let me tell you, you're not gonna find any such part in this book. For real. This book is a kind of book that'll hold you together till the end. It's like watching an amazing series in your brain. Prajakta Koli has portrayed all of her emotions in a single dialogue beautifully. You know the best part, I'm a Mumbaikar and this entire story is based on Mumbai. So every place that she mentions I can relate to and I've been there. Hey cuties, first of all, love those people who waited for my review video और जिन्होंने मेरे vlog पे comment किया था कि आपकी review वाली vlog कब आ रही है. Love you so much. Okay, so this video is especially for you. Today I took a day off from everything और मैंने आज reels भी नहीं डाली Instagram पे. I like you know जब मैं पहले प्रजाक्ता कोहली की बुक खरीद के लाई, I was so excited and उस चीज को 2 दिन हो गए. तो that day I only got to read 100 pages and today I took a day off and I completed the entire book in one sitting. Like because I was so desperate to give you guys the review and now I'm here. Like eligible to give the review in detail without no spoilers at all. I'm not gonna lie at all. मैं आपसे कुछ भी झूठ बोलूंगी, exaggerate ऐसा कुछ नहीं करने वाली हूँ. Today I'm gonna be reviewing Too Good to Be True, जो कि प्रजाक्ता कोहली, also known as Mostly Sane, ने लिखी है. First of all, kudos to that woman for being an all-rounder to what I see. Bhai, you're a good dancer, you're a content creator, a great actress, and a breathtaking author again. I mean, how many things can you do at once? I mean, I love it because to what I remember, I've been watching her since she was, you know, you could say like 9 lakh subscribers the unke. From that period, I've been, you know, really watching her videos and उस time पे she used to say कि सुनो bell icon दबा के जाना, मतलब वो वाला dialogue उनका था उसमें. So yes, this is the reason I bought this book. I'm not a romantic kind of a you know genre reader, and that genre is not something I prefer. I'm more of a thriller or mysterious tragedy kind of a person. In talking about the genres I prefer reading. So this is the first rom-com book that I've read and wow. Has this ever occurred to you? Like, has this ever happened with you कि you're reading a book, you also laugh, you also end up crying in some parts, and at the same time you're awestruck with the kind of romance involved in this, and you know how you're so attached to the characters, and then you realize book खत्म हो गई and this was not even real, and ऐसे शौक लगता है shit. Okay, coming back to the review, I don't want to stretch this a lot. So ये जो book है, so the plot is that the story तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगी. I'm only going to give you guys a hint. There is a character named Avni Joshi. She is an aspiring lawyer and a student who जो कि you know is a very independent woman, and वो मुंबई में खुद का रेंट खुद पे कर रही है. She's a part-time librarian receptionist and she loves reading books. And then there is this hot, steamy, rich bitch, you could say Aman Raina, who is so good at heart and who is totally flawless when I say this. मतलब एक भी flaw नहीं है उसमें. So he walks into the store and there is this chemistry going on between them, and वो कहाँ से कहाँ जाती है. You guys won't believe, there is a perfect balance of drama, romance, steam, you know, and you could say spice, you could say emotions, and you could say comedy. You would literally laugh, and then you know these emotional scenes will bring tears to your eyes, and then like a perfect blend of everything. This novel is just so perfect. I'm not going to give a spoiler, I'm just trying to tell you a favorite part of mine. So there is like ये जो लड़का होता है ना, he has a family mansion in Mussoorie. तो वहाँ पे family trip get together होती, तो you know even Avni gets invited and she meets the family finally. So like I love that part, the drama involved and everything. I loved how Prajakta Koli portrayed the characters, how interesting, and उन character के जो friends दिखाए हैं, a perfect blend, a perfect balance of everything. मतलब एक पार्ट होता है, you know, when you read a novel, आप पढ़ रहे हो कुछ ऐसे पार्ट्स आते कि I'm done, I'm bored, हो गया मेरा. But let me tell you, you're not gonna find any such part in this book for real. So this book is a kind of book that'll hold you together till the end. Like, I read this book continuously for 3.5-4 hours without taking a bath, without eating, like कुछ भी नहीं खाते हुए पढ़ रही हूँ. I was like, I need to finish this book. And oh god, you know, मैं भगवान कसम खा के कह रही हूँ, I was reading and I was like, खत्म हो गई. I didn't even realize ये खत्म हो गई. And I got so sad कि why did it end? This is that kind of book. So when I talk about this book, I really appreciate how Mostly Sane put all the balance of all the, you know, elements in this book. एक perfect blend है ये romantic comedy का. मतलब this is a real romantic and a real comedy. मैं आपको सबका perfect blend मिलता है इसमें, like everything. And apart from that, if you ask me कि यार मैं ज़्यादा romantic comedy पढ़ती नहीं, should I get into this? Like me, then I would say give it a try. ठीक है, it's a fun read, a one-time read. You will enjoy this. You're on a trip, or maybe आपको self date पे जाना है, कैफे में जाके बैठ गए और ये book ले गए, like just spending time with yourself. You would love this. It's like watching an amazing series in your brain. No, really, yes, it's like that. And जैसे ही खत्म हुआ, it's like series over हो गया. वो जो dullness होता है ना after finishing that amazing novel and coming back to the reality, dullness hit me like a truck. I was like, क्यों खत्म हुआ? And apart from that, yes, I would rate this book 9 out of 10. And वो 1 क्यों नहीं दे रही हूँ मैं? Because again, I told you, I'm not a romantic genre वाली person. I am more of a mystery kind of a person. वहाँ मेरी सारी books रखी है. You know the best thing, it's easy to read. अगर आप एक non reader हो, get on it right away. आप बहुत आसानी से पढ़ लोगे. And if you are a not like if you're a reader but you don't want the intermediate kind of a part, English जो बहुत hard लगे, again this book is very easy to read and understand. बहुत complicated story नहीं है, complicated language नहीं use किया है. And the best part is Prajakta Koli has portrayed all of her emotions in a single dialogue beautifully. मतलब if you talk about like savageness, like जो अवनी का character है ना, she's complete savage. She's a complete savage person. And you know the way she jokes around, you know the sarcasm she carries, and उनके जो friend Martin है, you know the kind of you know he's you know the kind of sass he carries around, and the sarcasm he carries all the round, the sarcasm he carries and the charm. कि मतलब ऐसे like सीधे तो कभी नहीं बात करना है, एकदम like टेढ़ा बात करना है. That's like very funny in a way. प्लॉट में महाबलेश्वर भी इन्वॉल्व किया है, मसूरी इन्वॉल्व किया है. एंड यू नो द बेस्ट पार्ट, आई एम अ मुंबईकर एंड दिस एंटायर स्टोरी इज बेस्ड ऑन मुंबई. सो एवरी प्लेस दैट शी मेंशन्स आई कैन रिलेट टू एंड आई हैव बीन देयर. सो येस, आई लव दिस बुक एंड आई कैन से दैट इन फ्यूचर if she writes more books, I am so pre-ordering the book without thinking twice. I will definitely pre-order the book. Like, you know, I won't even wait for the review. I'll like straight away order, because now I know she's an amazing author. Like, hats off to you and all the best, Prajakta Koli. I loved your book so much and I would give it a 9 out of 10. Okay guys, so ये review तो end हो गया, but now talking about my next read. Do you know मेरी next read कौन सी होने वाली है? You know, like for all the readers like who are really busy with college, content creation, jobs or tuitions or whatever, the worst part is that you need to wait the entire time, you know, like getting with your work. You need to wait so much and make time to read books. It's like यार हमें ये करना है and ये ख़त्म करके फिर you get the time. मेरा तो ऐसा है कि मुझे रात में ही time मिलता है. So like 5 AM तक I'm there reading it and it's like that. And yeah, it's a very different world. It's the best escape for me. And it's like watching a series in my mind, and you know, you get to use your imagination with everything, and I just love it. So you know what's my next read going to be? Really interesting. King of Wrath. This is my next read, and this is a very spicy fantasy / romance. And this is a revenge plot. Matlab, you know, like I'm not gonna talk about this book in this video, but this is a trio or I guess duo, I'm not sure, because King of Wrath and King of Pride इसके 2 वॉल्यूम है, 2 वॉल्यूम्स में ख़त्म हुआ है ये. So to what I know that this is not a single book, and yes, I look forward to reading this and then I'll be reviewing this. This is a little big book and ये कुछ 600 pages का है. Okay, I'm sorry, 400 pages. But okay, coming back to this book. This book is only 310 pages का, so you can actually एक बार में बैठ के you can actually read it entirely and you can get done. It's like a one-timer read, like you can read it at once. So yes, go for this book. I loved it so much. Love you Prajaktha, and I love all the audience that waited for me for this review. I was so desperate to give you guys the review, and अब जाके मुझे सुकून मिला. और एक और चीज़ कमेंट सेक्शन में ये ज़रूर बताना कि ये नजरिंग कैसी लग रही है. Okay guys, then that's it for today. See you guys in the next vlog, and I hope you found this review helpful, and I hope आपका और मेरा excitement एक level पे है, so नहीं तो पागल लगूंगी मैं. So see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys, love you.